is highly possible. So, yan ang nga nangyari. A clash of heads by the advice of the ring precision. He waved it off, and then the fight is been going to the scorecard because I think nakabuo ng dalawang full round.
Right.
So, in a 4-round affair.
So almost half. I mean half talaga, literally half. And I think yun na nga, partner, minsan when you're moving towards each other and then syempre towards that, you are moving your head, you're moving your body. It's the possibility, like you said, is so high to really have a clash of heads.
Yeah. We move on to the next.
And now,
fight.
ladies and gentlemen, this next is presented to you by Lorde UKC Boxing Promotions, sponsored by Bax Cafe, B Athletic, Fitfield Bio Import Export Corporation, Mayor Edwin Oli Balance, Congressman Brian Yamsuan,
Boxer,
PCSO, RCD Hong Kong, Diva Promotions, Underdog, HK Suncoast Lightwater, and Pocari Swell. Ladies and gentlemen, this round scheduled for 4 rounds in the minimum weight division. The 3 judges for this contest, Donald Bellius, Gerald Tumendan, and Tony Comia. Your referee in charge of the action, Sammy Bernabet Singer. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black with yellow trim. Official weight 106 pounds, his professional debut from Hermie Arcillas Boxing Gym of Del Pan, Tondo, Manila. Introducing Melvin Francis Arce. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing black with yellow, official weight 103 pounds, also his professional debut from Belorde Plus BF, Parañaque City. Ladies and gentlemen, Rex J. Mendoza.
we are going back to one of the fights in the first session. This is Renz Jade Mendoza from Elorde Plus BF. He is making his pro debut today up against Nelvin Francis Arce of Arcillas Boxing Gym, also making his debut today. This is scheduled for 4 rounds in the minimum weight division. So again, bumalik tayo sa first session. This was supposed to be our second fight, but eto na, mapapanood natin ngayon sa afternoon. Shout out nga pala, driver na vlogger Magallanes watching us from Quezon City. Christian Casabuena, congratulations daw kay Vince Gabriel Silo. Renren Lopez, shout out kay Coach Long Melodilar or Unorthodox Boxing Gym. Mendoza is wearing the black trunks but wearing red shoes. Medyo mahirap. They both have yellow trim in their trunks. Si Arce is also wearing black and yellow. Na black and white yung shoes. An overhand by Arce. Mendoza answers with body shots. I like the body work. It spells the difference actually, no? It's always beneficial to work on the body. The ROI, you can see that in the later rounds. Yes po, Sir Sonny Santos, ang buting ama ni Jeff Santos. Good afternoon po. You must be so excited. Mamaya pa po ang laban ni Jeff Santos. I will inform you po if siya na po ang susunod. Arce with that chopping left hand to the body and hook up top. Mendoza feints.
Ito yung natirang first session no, na
Yes.
eventually dumating na rin. So, we all don't know kung sino yung cause of delay, pero tingin ko yung Arce kanina pa nandito. Nakikita ko na siya. So, this fight is a 4-round affair in a light flyweight category.
Myra Abila, shout out. Nag-aabang sila para kay Mac Abila, isa pang up-and-coming boxer ito na pinakaabangan natin. Body shot by Mendoza, moves to an angle. Arce answers with the left hand.
Oh, nice overhand. Follow up with the right hook.
Both of them very scrappy, partner. You can see talagang they're not afraid to trade punches.
Itong Mendoza po na nasa from Lorde BF Home
yeah.
Plus.
We've watched him already in the UKC amateur bouts and he's making his pro debut today.
So nagkaroon na siya ng progress sa boxing career niya.
I think magkapatid to eh. I see him with his brother. They're fighting in UKC.
Yan, kaya ngayon sinasabi nilang parang mayroong kang breeding ground for you to be prepared on the pro ranks. Kasi ang UKC may mga amateur competition wherein you are honing your skill. Eventually, if you want to turn pro, meron ding platform ng UKC on a professional level. So that for me is a good grassroots thing na ginagawa ng UKC promotion.
Especially here in the city, no? Here in Metro Manila. Alam naman natin, hindi ganoon kadami ang paboxing dito compared to like say Visayas or Mindanao. But of course, Elord is making a difference, setting a standard.
Definitely. Pwede na rin natin ang ulitin na sa March 1 magkakaroon ng UKC All Amateur naman. For your inquiry, go direct to the UKC page sa Facebook nila.
Here we go, partner. Round 2. This is between Renz Jade Mendoza and Nelvin Francis Arce.
Ready ka na ba sa mga around 200 bouts?
Of
Ulit?
course, always ready. Birthday ko pa yan.
Arce and Mendoza continue to outslug each other in round number 2 of their light flyweight contest.
Alam mo, partner, sorry to cut you. Oh, multiple shots. When you're inside the ring, you see firsthand how difficult it is
Yeah.
to land a punch. Hindi lang yan basta susuntok ka na parang sa bag.
Tama.
No, because you're hitting a moving target, you're allowed to move around. The faster your feet are, the better. Kasi, well, who wants to be hit, di ba?
Pero the nature of our sports is almost half tatamaan ka. Half of the percent tatamaan ka kasi contact sports to. Pero
Oh, wow. Very, very scrappy fight between the two. Yan siguro yung sinasabi mong 50% of the time.
yeah.
But I'm saying yun nga, may mga ibang stylist na talagang hindi magpapatama. Kasi gagamitin nila yung paa nila. Yun naman, ibang putahe naman yun, kumbaga. Ibang ulam.
Especially kung may talent ka ng ala Mayweather.
Yeah, mga Shakur Stevenson.
Yes.
We're witnessing raw talent here. Talaga namang they have one thing in mind, that is to hit the opponent.
Alam mo, mas mahirap nga ang ang boxing kasi imagine ang pinaka-konte 4 rounds.
Yeah.
When you hit double 8 rounds kang 3 minutes dyan, I'm not trying to compare them to MMA. MMA 3 rounds. In a 3 minute din yata, minsan 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Pero yung pag championship round, 10 round, 12 round, imagine yung dami or volume ng suntok na tatama sa'yo on that span of a time. Kaya nga, napaka-delikado ng sports ng boxing talaga.
End of round
2.
2. Tama ka, partner. And of course, sa boxing, dalawa lang ang weapons mo, no? Your left and right hand. And of course, you're only hitting either the head or the body primarily. Sometimes more on the head creates incremental damage. Hindi mo masabi kung...
Minsan later on eh.
Yeah.
Later on sa when you get retired, minsan pag medyo may edad ka na, there's a little theory na baka magkaroon ka ng may sabi nila yung impact sa later on sa buhay mo kasi utak yan eh. So
parang football, 'di ba? American football, uso sa kanila CTE, 'di ba? It's still being studied, pero ganun din sa combat sports, no? Imagine mo ilang suntok ang naa-absorb ng ating mga boxers. It calls for respect again for that kind of what's at stake tuwing lumalaban ng mga boxer, 'di ba?
Actually, other country are very high in terms of respect sa mga boxers eh.
Right.
There's always a guideline for me dun sa mga Japanese fighter eh. Yun talaga ang guideline ko eh. Talagang iba ang respeto nila sa boksingero.
Tama ka dyan, partner. So, Mendoza wants to play hit and run, meaning he's trying to throw punches and then move away. Ito namang si Arce is playing the counter game. Always ready with huge counters.
Again, we just like to thank PCSO, Fairtex Philippines, Box Cafe, Focari Sweat, Elorde TV, and among others who paved way to make this event possible. Our promoter, Ma'am Kukoy Elorde, and our head of the Elorde TV, Sir Marty Elorde, for bringing us live free streaming for your enjoyment direct to your home.
Yes, thank you so much. Mendoza slightly edging out Arce in this round, trying to beat him to the punch, moving away to be away from the counter.
I think the length is an obvious advantage for Mendoza. He is maximizing that advantage and making the fight on his favor regarding that matter.
You're absolutely right. Also, the body movement, partner, quite fast for Mendoza. Arce needs to stop Mendoza from moving around. He has to counter, tries to land that counter more accurately.
Tsaka very shifty yung Mendoza. No?
Yeah, tama ka, partner. Shifting to the left and right, trying to create a false sense of of a target. Pero maganda rin naman yung mga counters ni Arce while he's on the ropes,
Alam mo, marami ng boksingerong historically naglaro dito sa Elorde Grand Ballroom. Almost everybody. I think nakatungtong na para lumaban sa ilo. So historic na tong ballroom na to.
Certainly, partner. Almost at the end of the round. Partner, sabi ni Sir Sonny Santos, speaking of patama, di pwede daw tamaan si Jeff Santos kasi may flight pa daw siya mamaya. Oh my gosh. Alam mo na experience ko yan, no? I have I have a performance, I have a concert in the afternoons. Lumaban ako ng Muay Thai. National Games pa yun nung umaga. So it's really a high-stakes game for people like us who hold day jobs. So kudos kay Jeff and we wish him luck. Thank you for watching Sir Sunny Santos, yung dad ni Jeff
I
Santos.
think that's a good barometer in terms of having a job. You know, ako may day job din ako. Pwede ko bang sabihin or anyway sabihin ko na it's I think it's a must that you would not solely rely on one sources sa buhay mo. If you could have a day job, paano kung walang boxing,
Yeah.
I think you must give a little may alternative ka, may option ka for your well-being, di ba?
For sure, I mean, of course, boxing is a full-time job. It's not a joke. But, yun na nga if it can help you to have an alternative, then that would be great. Ito, nag-iinit na partner. We are in the third round. You're watching Renz Jade Mendoza versus Nelvin Frances Arce.
It is a very nice fight, quality fight, wherein you could see punches scored, land very well, the movement, the feet. May magandang boxing to in terms of kung talagang gusto mo manood ng boxing. Although hindi may mga flashes din ng mga toe-to-toe, pero meron din siyang kasamang sweet science.
Of course, tama ka dyan. Mendoza trying to use his feet to create distance. Look at that, no? Alam mo, partner, when you're at the edge of range at nagpatama ka, ang daling lumabas para hindi ka matamaan. So you're not too close, but you're not too far din naman.
Yes, kasi
So,
kailangan medyo babawi ka din.
Yes,
diba?
so yun yung sinasabi natin na mastering the distance, which is a crucial skill in boxing. So yun, oo.
Sorry, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Parang may swellness na doon sa left eyes or may konting blood trickling on the face of Arce or swelling or what.
Yeah,
Oo.
pati si Mendoza parang may nakikita ko, but body shot by Mendoza lands that left hook through that beautiful angling out.
Marami-rami na rin natanggap na solid punches itong Arce. I would commend his toughness on this fight. When I say toughness, nakita ko sa Arcelias pala galing to.
Oh.
So I know this boy is tough.
He's putting in on the forward pressure. It's marching forward. Alam mo, yun talaga yun eh. We have different weapons in our arsenal. If you can use your feet to create movement para mahirapan yung kalaban mo, tamaan ka, why not use it? Some people call it running, but it's tayong mga boxer at mga tao sa industriya. Alam natin, style yan. You can use that.
Yeah.
Siguro ang hindi tama yung tumakbo ka palabas ng ring. Mali yun.
May nakita kong ganun eh.
Oo, may gumagawa nun.
Oh.
Believe it or not. So, itong si Arce had a successful flurry kanina, partner, no? Wow, beautiful bout from both boxers. Marlo Bacasmot, maraming salamat sa gratitude. Alam mo, partner, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga tao na nagpapasalamat. Kasi, alam mo,
Libre to.
Oo,
Libre.
bihira natin marinig yan. Minsan, puro reklamo, but we appreciate those who are grateful for this. This is free for all of you. We don't expect anything in return. Sobrang blessing na lang kung makapagpasalamat kayo. So maraming salamat. Marlo Bacasmot. Maraming salamat.
Message mo ako sa
Yun, no?
sa personal account ko, Alvin Esgo, o kaya i-message mo kami sa Real Fight PH. Yung ang pangalan nun?
Marlo Bacasmot.
Marlo Bacasmot. I-message mo ako ang personal page ko, personal account ko, Alvin Esgo, or message ka sa page
Yun
namin,
na.
Real Fight PH, and I give something for you this Christmas.
Yes. So Marlo, Marlo, Bakasmot, yan na. This is your chance. Julius, shout out sa'yo sa NJ Barbershop. He is rooting for Mac Perez Abila.
Yes, oh.
Si Ma'am Evelyn Anyover, sabi niya, God bless daw sa anak niya. Siguro mami to ni Arce, who is watching us right now.
Yeah.
Arce is heart of a warrior, very, very tough.
Yan ba? Nasa barbero? Baka kwentong barbero natin
Hindi ko
yan.
alam.
Ah.
Hindi natin alam. Naku, may nabuhay si Jonathan Almacen, shout out sa'yo.
Mayaman na yan.
Oh,
Ladies and
my.
gentlemen, here are the scores of the 3 judges after 4 rounds of boxing. Donald Perez scores about 39-37. Antonio Comia 39-37. And Gerald Turaldon scores it 40-36. All to the winner by unanimous decision, Rance Jade Mendoza.
Renz Jade Mendoza of Elorde Plus BF nailing his
Stand by.
first
Our next source,
first win
Nancy
of his career.
Mark Gontayo, the silver boards.
Thank you so much, Sir Boy.